Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name's Martin O'Dell, aka the Lagom Chef, and I'm here in the beautiful AO kitchen, and this is all about making the food you love your way. So I've got a couple of items that are really going to help you out with food prep in the kitchen. So the first thing we've got is this 2-in-1 soup maker. Wonderful. You've got an ice cream machine there, you've got a stand mixer, and you've got a little portable blender to help you make some smoothies. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make an amazing soup. Now we're going to be using this 2-in-1 blender here, so it's a soup maker and blender. The best thing about soups, you can be so creative and inventive with them, and they use up anything you've got left over in the fridge. You may have a carrot, you may have a bit of swede, an onion, a pepper. It's all about you being creative and using what you've got. Soups, you can bury anything in a soup. So we're going to make an amazing mulligatawny soup. So, shall we start cooking? We should start cooking. So we've got some onions that go in here. Let's get a little spoon. Got some tomato puree, a little bit of curry powder, some garlic. Nice and simple. Lid goes on. Right, come down here with me. So what you've got is you've got the chop, which is just done, and then we've got the saute feature, which basically just fries the ingredients and takes the rawness out. So 5 minutes time, that'll be perfect. It's now time to pop the lid off, and it's as simple as adding everything into the blender. So in goes our swede and our carrots, and then we've got some peppers, some lentils, some coconut milk, some stock. And then lastly, we've just got a nice bit of mango chutney for a bit of sweetness, a good pinch of salt. We can season at the end anyway. So you've got blend and you've got cook. Now this is your cold side here, so things like milkshakes, desserts, you name it. Over here we've got smooth soup, chunky soup. You can even do jams and sauces, absolutely brilliant. So we're going to use the smooth soup setting. So what it's going to do, it's going to cook all of the ingredients, and in 30 minutes, you are going to have a wonderful smooth soup. Easy as that. Okay, so the soup is underway, and we're going to go over here and use another bit of food prep kit. We're going to make some fresh bread. Making bread at home can be quite a time-consuming thing, but when you've got a stand mixer like this, it can cut the prep time in half. So making dough is all about kneading, all right? And what you have here is a dough hook. So the dough hook will do all of the kneading, all of the hard work for you. Very, very simple. So what we've got here, we've got some strong plain flour. So we've got some mixed herbs here. We've got your yeast, some salt, and a little bit of sugar. So simply put this down, give this a gentle mix. It's also very clean, isn't it? You don't get all sticky hands. And then in here, I've just got some melted butter with some milk. And all you do now is just gradually add that in. This machine comes with other attachments, so you can do all of your home baking stuff. You can make cakes, do some meringues. You can even make some fresh butter in it. So super, super versatile. All we're gonna do, cover this, leave it to one side, and we'll be back in a little bit. So the soup is now ready. It's had its 30 minutes. It's done everything it's needed to do. It's blitzed, it's cooked, and it has been kept warm on the keep warm feature. So look at that. Beautiful soup. Way around. And then I've got a lovely little bit of yogurt here, so dot it over however you want. Last thing we need to do is just a lovely bit of fresh coriander on top of that. And then we've got our beautiful bread that we made earlier. Look at that, the tear and share garlic bread. What more do you want? To dunk some of that in this soup. Okay, we've got another great bit of food prep kit for you here. Now this is a little smoothie maker, so it's a portable blender. Now me and my wife, we absolutely love a smoothie, but sometimes when you make a smoothie in the morning, you blitz it up, you take it to work, it's all separated, it's all gone a bit weird. Now this little thing here has got 3 settings, right? So you got blend, crush, and a smoothie. Very nice. That's the function we'll be using today. It's rechargeable. So what you do is you pop it off. Now, a plethora of fresh ingredients. You can use whatever you want. I've got some blueberries, a couple of raspberries. I'm going to go for some mango. Strawberries, I'll take the prep ones. And then, might as well have a bit of dairy in there. So a lovely bit of yogurt. And then I'm just going to top it with a little splash of water. So there we go, look. All loaded up, it's portable, you can take it with you, stick it in the fridge at work, and then when you're ready, all you need to do, pop it on your machine here, turn it on, and then press smoothie. I think that's good. There we go, look at that. My brain has instantly gone to going to the gym. Imagine you had your smoothie all ready and just waz that up in the dressing room. Brilliant. Let's have a go. tastes like a smoothie. It's absolutely delicious. What's not to love about smoothies? Smoothies on the go. So I've got one final bit of food prep kit for you, and we always save the best till last. We have got an ice cream maker. It is absolutely brilliant. So what we've got here is a frozen base. So all we did is we took some bananas, some peanut butter and a little bit of milk and just mushed it together and froze it till it's solid. So it's been in there about 12 hours, but you can get creative. You can make anything you want. Any leftover fruit, just chuck it into one of these and let it sit, and then we turn it into ice cream. So come over with me. Now it's as simple as popping this lid off, dropping it into here. You've got a little line here, click, pop it around. So we're going to be making ice cream, but it makes light ice cream, sorbet, gelato, frozen yogurt, frappe, frozen drinks, slushy, milkshakes. That is a lot of things it can do with one machine. All you need to do is turn it on and it will give you these options across the top. We're going to go full because the container was quite full. Select what you want. We're going to go with ice cream and then look at that. That's insane. I'm going to have a little taste first. It's delicious. So this is the bit where you get to be even more creative. So we've got some chocolate chips. So I'm just going to pour a load in, pop this in like this. Then down here we've got the mix-in function. Okay, so the ice cream machine has done its thing. Oh my goodness. So just to finish this off, we're just going to scoop, and then I'm just going to go with a couple of nuts over the top, a little bit of honey just to finish that off. And there you go, look at that. Oh, this is delicious. Now, as you can see, we've used all these beautiful bits of kit to make food prepping at home easy. Making the food you love your way.